Hi guys, just a quick video to share with people that don't know who I am. My work for 2 decades were to go into properties and clear out negative energy and sometimes entities, spirit trapped in between two worlds. That was my job. So what I'm going to share with you is the golden nugget of truth that many healers, psychics and seers and mediums make the mistake. Not their fault, it's just that they don't do it full time and they didn't understand while they was doing it. So I made this mistake, so I was to blame as well until I rectified it. So what clears negative entity and negative energy from a house? It's called sage. Sage, any type of sage is fine as long as it's dry. All you need is a bowl and you break the sage down. So if it's in a smudging stick, that's no good. You need to break it down and put it into a bowl like this, at least 2 or 3 sticks. Or even go out and buy sage in packets so it's broken down already. So you put it into the bowl, you get a lighter with an extension so you don't burn yourself, and you light it. And you blow till the cinders become more and more and more. Secret of cleansing a house of negative entities and spirit trapped in between two worlds is you imagine yourself in a house and it becomes very smoky, it's on fire. Where do you go? Where would you run to? You get on the floor, but then that room is all full, so you go to the next room, and then you'll go into the bathroom. You'll go anywhere where there's no smoke. Well, imagine spirit trapped in between two worlds, or ghosts, apparitions, do the same thing, except they don't like sage smoke. So the secret here, which is very simple, you start from one room, fill that room up with smoke by blowing everywhere so you literally can't see in that room. Move to the next room until all rooms are done, including the cellar, including the loft attic, including wardrobes, spaces where entity can go. I found over these 2 decades that I never had to return back to another house when I cleansed and saged in this particular way. It's just a tip that I use. And at the same time, guys, you might want to use some really nice music. I recommend, and many others now I'm starting to hear are recommending, French Gregorian chants. This is what I use. I sell it on my website, and so do I sell sage. But you don't need to go to your local crystal store or go straight on to buy the sage, or go to YouTube and just click French. Make sure it says French Gregorian chants. Play that music, burn the sage in the house, use a wooden thick bowl. That's what I recommend. You can use other things, but this is the safest in my opinion. And make sure when you've finished, all the doors and windows are all closed. Get out of the house, leave for at least 1 to 2 hours, come back, open all the doors and windows, let that sage smoke out, and you may find you have no problems thereafter. I hope it helps. Have a great day.